The new Kawasaki ZX-8R 2026 is a high-performance sport bike designed for riders who demand exceptional power and agility. Powered by a potent 798cc inline-4 engine, it produces 130 horsepower and 65 pound-feet of torque, delivering blistering acceleration and thrilling performance. The ZX-8R features a sleek and aerodynamic design, with sharp lines and aggressive styling that sets it apart from other bikes in its class. The bike's LED headlights and taillights provide enhanced visibility and safety, while its 17-inch alloy wheels and high-performance tires ensure exceptional grip and handling. One of the standout features of the ZX-8R is its advanced technology package, which includes Kawasaki's signature Rideology features, such as traction control, cornering management function, and multiple ride modes. These features provide enhanced safety and control, allowing riders to push the bike to its limits with confidence. The bike's suspension system consists of Showa front forks and a uni-track rear suspension, providing exceptional damping and stability. The ZX-8R also features Brembo brakes, which provide exceptional stopping power and control. Riders will appreciate the bike's ergonomic design, which provides a comfortable riding position and excellent visibility. The ZX-8R's seat is designed to provide support and stability, even during intense cornering and braking. Overall, the new Kawasaki ZX-8R 2026 is a thrilling ride that combines exceptional performance, advanced technology, and aggressive styling. With its impressive power output, agile handling, and advanced features, the ZX-8R is an ideal choice for riders who crave a high-performance sport bike experience.